Hello and welcome. This presentation is designed to teach you three things. What is required by federal OSHA and HIPAA laws, how SMART training programs provide complete and up-to-date OSHA and HIPAA compliance, and why your total cost may be lower and your service be better by using SMART training. SMART training is not a fly-by-night company. They have been specializing in OSHA and HIPAA compliance for over 30 years. Do you recognize this young man? His name is Aaron Ralston, and he is best known for the movie 127 Hours, where he was stuck in a narrow canyon for 5 days and had to cut off his right arm to save his own life. So what went wrong? Not unlike many dental practices, he made several mistakes in judgment. First of all, he went by himself. Secondly, he didn't follow all of the rules. And finally, he wasn't prepared for the boulder that fell on him. The question you should ask yourself is, would you be prepared if OSHA or the Office of Civil Rights walked into your practice tomorrow? What is actually required by the law? Many dental practices believe if we get our training done every year, we will be in compliance. That statement could not be further from the truth. If you have training only and do not have up-to-date OSHA safety plans and a HIPAA risk assessment, you will be walking around half-dressed. Are dental practices really failing OSHA and HIPAA compliance? Yes, for example, more than 80% of offices have incomplete or out-of-date safety plans. More than 90% of practices have not trained staff on emergency evacuation procedures, and 95% of offices have never completed a HIPAA risk assessment. Unfortunately, most practices get a failing grade on a SMART training compliance audit. So how can SMART training help you with compliance? Let's start with the first thing that everyone knows is required: training. SMART training's extensive library includes everything you would expect, plus medical emergencies, sexual harassment, and infection control. It also includes the newly required respirator user training for N95 masks. HIPAA training includes staff training and 2 specialized trainings for the required role of a dental privacy officer. SMART training also provides every staff member with a short monthly meeting on safety and patient privacy. SMART training software delivers training online so that all new staff, as required by law, can take training prior to working with patients. If desired, CE certificates can be printed. The SMART software is also designed to automatically send your staff email reminders of training needed. And for no additional cost, we will even teach you how to create and upload your own in-house training. Is SMART training really a better value than the free training you go to every year? Yes. Scenario 1. If you go to a free training seminar during normal practice hours, you will lose about 4 hours of production. Cost, $1,800. Scenario 2. If you go after hours on a normal day off, you still have to pay staff for their time. Cost, about $800. Either way, it's not free, and all you get is training, and you are still only half dressed. Next, we have the OSHA binder, officially known as written safety plans, which are required by law to be up-to-date and site-specific. For years, a dental OSHA binder included 3 safety plans. But as of May of 2020, you are now required to include a respiratory protection plan. If you have an old OSHA binder, it does not include this. You will also be happy to learn that SMART training does not send you an empty OSHA binder like most companies do. We create your safety plans and update them for you every year. In addition to the required safety plans, SMART training also provides you with documents to assist with medical emergencies and sexual harassment. Many safety posters, how-to documents, and task lists are also provided to the OSHA lead to help ensure ongoing compliance. OSHA recommends that all businesses conduct an annual safety audit. Therefore, SMART training programs include a yearly comprehensive inspection. Each inspection includes a report and consultation with your senior compliance advisor. Many SMART training clients have told us that this is the most valuable service we provide. And as if those services were not comprehensive enough, Smart Training can also provide OSHA defense representation. Over the last 25 years, Smart Training has represented over 1,000 companies at OSHA settlement conferences. In other words, we are very good at what we do. A violation of HIPAA laws or a data breach can be catastrophic to your business. Therefore, in addition to the HIPAA training we discussed earlier, Smart Training not only provides you with the federally required written policies and procedures, but also a number of documents that you may not be aware of, such as a business associate agreement and employee and visitor privacy policies. All Smart Training HIPAA documents are annually updated to comply with current laws. Federal HIPAA laws also require every healthcare facility to complete an annual HIPAA risk assessment. As always, this service provided by Smart Training is very comprehensive. It includes 5 training modules that will teach you what is required by HIPAA and then provide you with a list of 35 step-by-step tasks to ensure you are following the law. How much does all of this comprehensive service cost? Well, as I like to say, the investment to protect your business is just that, an investment. Smart Training's goal is that the value you receive is more than the price you pay. Retail pricing for essentials is only $120 a month or $1,200 a year. If you choose the premium product, you will pay more, but the investment is worth it. Compare that to what it really costs to go to the free seminar. Smart Training's dental compliance premium product is more expensive because it offers additional services not discussed previously. With this product, you will also receive an infection control coordinator package that includes coordinator training, written protocols, and an audit checklist. This package also includes a customized new employee orientation and human resource training modules. The decision is yours, but don't be like Aaron Ralston. If you go all alone and don't know all of the rules and aren't prepared, you may just lose your right arm. Remember, compliance is more than just training, and Smart Training can help.